The $100,000 Journey, a step-by-step guide for everyone. Reaching a six-figure income may seem like an impossible goal, but with the right plan, anyone can achieve it. The $100,000 Journey, a step-by-step guide for everyone, is a practical roadmap designed to help individuals from all backgrounds build financial success, increase their earnings, and create lasting wealth. This book breaks down the essential steps, strategies, and mindset shifts needed to reach the $100,000 milestone. Whether you're starting from scratch, growing a career, launching a side hustle, or scaling a business. With clear, actionable advice, you'll learn how to boost your income, make smarter financial decisions, and stay motivated on your journey to six figures. What you'll learn: setting clear financial goals. Define your path to $100,000 with a realistic plan and achievable milestones. Maximizing your current income. Learn how to increase your earnings through salary negotiation, skill development, and career growth. Profitable side hustles and freelancing. Discover extra income opportunities that fit your skills and lifestyle. Building passive income streams. Learn how to make money work for you through investing, digital income, and automated revenue sources. Smart money management. Master budgeting, saving, and investing to keep more of what you earn and grow your wealth faster. Entrepreneurial strategies. Explore ways to start and scale a business, attract customers, and generate consistent income. Overcoming setbacks and staying motivated. Learn how to push past obstacles, maintain focus, and keep moving toward your financial goals. Why this book works. Designed for anyone. Whether you're an employee, freelancer, business owner, or just starting out, this book provides real-world strategies that work. Step-by-step guidance. Follow a clear roadmap to reach your six-figure goal. No get-rich-quick gimmicks. Focuses on real, sustainable methods for long-term financial success. Practical and actionable advice. Easy-to-follow techniques you can start applying immediately. Who this book is for: employees and professionals wanting to increase their salary and career opportunities. Freelancers and side hustlers looking to generate extra income. Entrepreneurs aiming to build and scale a profitable business. Anyone seeking financial growth and a clear path to six figures. Reaching $100,000 isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter, managing money wisely, and creating multiple income streams. The $100,000 Journey gives you the knowledge, mindset, and strategies needed to achieve this milestone and beyond. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and build a six-figure income, this book is your blueprint for success. Start your journey today. Book by Ron Antosco. Get yours today only on Amazon.